Another one of these, young Jamaican, the youth arm of the Jamaica Labour Party, has pushed back at concerns raised by the People's National Party over what is described as the continued leaking of the Integrity Commission reports to a specific media house before they are officially tabled in a parliament. Anyway, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a reaction channel. I always say it's a reaction channel because every day I get new subscribers and I just want them to know that I react on the news. This channel is mainly for fun. We don't argue, we don't fight. We respect our viewers. So guys, let me get back to the nitty-gritty of what's going on here. Have you ever noticed how politics is a lot like that one cousin at family reunions who always knows a little too much? Like, hey, I heard Uncle Bob's secret stash of rum is under the veranda, but somehow they're the last to get the invite to the barbecue. Now, in Jamaica, we have got this ongoing soap opera with the Integrity Commission reports. You know, those reports that are supposed to be confidential, but somehow they end up in the media before they even get a chance to be discussed in Parliament. It's like trying to hide your cookies from your kids, but somehow, they already know you have been sneaking them. Now, and the young Jamaica crew, those young folks are out here basically saying, leaked? What leak? We don't know anything about leaks. But hey, wasn't it just last year that PNP General Secretary Dr. Clayton Campbell was out here acting like he had a sneak peek at the report? If I didn't know better, I'd say he had a crystal ball. Or maybe a secret hotline to the Integrity Commission. Speaking of predictions, Robinson at the PNP Women's Conference was out here telling supporters next report downfall of the government. Get ready, we're coming back in September. Now, I don't know about you, but that sounds less like a political forecast and more like someone trying to tell you what about to be on the evening news before the news even happens. And here's the kicker. Young Jamaica is calling out the PNP for knowing too much, but they are conveniently forgetting that their friends in the PNP were practically psychic about the reports. It's like watching a soap opera where everyone knows the ending but still acts surprised. Oh, you didn't know? Well, I knew all along. I've had the spoilers since last week. Honestly, it's all very entertaining. Politics in Jamaica is basically a game of who knew what when. It's like a mystery novel where everyone's a detective except the clues keep leaking before the crime even happens. But let's be real. Whether leaks, predictions, or surprises in the end, we're all just waiting for the next episode. And I gotta say, with all these leaks and predictions, I think the only thing more predictable than Jamaican politics is the weather. Hot and predictable, and just when you think you have got it figured out, it starts raining again. Guys, thank you. Remember, keep your secrets close and your leaks closer. And kindly remember to subscribe, like, and share for more videos like these. And I will see you back here on my next YouTube video.